So you're welcome once again, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to disable spell check on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is to scroll to your phone menu, then you have to scroll down to settings, then tap on the settings. So after tapping on the settings button, what you have to do is to scroll down and you're going to find system down below, then you tap on the system. So after tapping on the system, what you have to do next is to tap on language and input. So tap on language and input. So after tapping on the language and input, what you are going to see is languages, virtual keyboard, physical keyboard, spell checker, autofill service, personal dictionary, pointer, speed, text to speech output. So over here, what you have to do is to tap on spell checker. So after tapping on it, then you can see use spell checker, and as you can see, it have been enabled. But in this video we are going to learn how to disable it. So if you want to disable it, this is what you have to do. Just tap over here and it's going to be disabled. So this is how to disable spell check in Android device. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.